Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech River, and in this video I'm going to give you two commands by which you can increase the overall performance of your hard drive and computer memory. So all you need to do is to just follow me and subscribe to Tech River. Let's get started. So all you need to do is to go to Start menu, search for command prompt and run as administrator. So once you've opened command prompt, you need to input the two commands which is in the description below. So as you can see, we have the memory used to be 1 equal to 1. So you need to change it to 2. And now you can see the memory used to be equal to 2. So all you need to do is to just restart your PC and everything works for you. I hope this video really works for you guys, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, the like button, and also the share button, and also put below any comment you have or any contribution you want to add to this video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.